Set the temperature by operating your up or down arrow. Press OK when you have reached your chosen temperature. Set your date by pressing the down arrow until you get to time mode. Press OK and follow the steps to set your times and dates. Refer to page 10 of the SV series guide. Your mode will be preset to norm. If you wish to change, please refer to page 12 of the SV series guide. Weekly mode. If you wish to use your spa from Friday to Sunday only, you can choose the week mode. This means your spa will run 1 hour of filtration Monday to Thursday and normal operation Friday to Sunday. Hold down the up and down arrow. Press OK on mode. Up arrow to week, press OK. Sleep mode. If you wish to run your spa during certain times of the day, for example solar power or avoiding peak power times, hold the up and down arrow. Press the arrow up until you see snooze. Press OK. Arrow down to you see 1.snooze. Press OK. Day. Arrow down or set the days of the week you want the sleep timer to run and press OK. Beginning. This is the time you want the sleep timer to start and press OK. End. The time you want your sleep timer to finish and press OK. And then press OK to save. Please note that during the sleep time your filtration and the heating is disabled.